Hello everyone. In the last video, we talked about how to get unlimited audiobooks for free. In this video, we are going to talk about how to convert PDF into audiobook. First step, go to Play Store, type in GooglePlayBooks and install the app. Once it is installed, go to Chrome, type in PDF to EPUB converter. There are many websites, but my favorite one is this one. So I hope your PDF file is ready. Now click on choose file and select the file that you want to convert into audiobook. So I'm selecting Beyond Reason PDF. So it is uploading, it is done. Now you can start the conversion. So here you can see the download button. Click on it. Download file again. Yes. Once it is downloaded, click on open. Then the EPUB format directly gets uploaded into Google Playbooks automatically. Wait for 2-3 minutes. The book will get uploaded here. Yes, it is done. Now open the book. You can see that entire book has been converted into like audiobook format. So to listen the audio version, you just need to click on these 3 dots and click on read aloud option.
Look for each person's areas of particular status. Is either of you an expert on substantive issues? Is either of you an expert on the process of negotiation? 6. Acknowledge status.
That's it. Enjoy your audiobook. And a few years back, I have uploaded a similar video. In that video, there are many comments. So today we are going to address some of those comments. One of those comments is, can we change the audio? So let's check whether we can change the audio or not. Go to Playbook settings. Scroll down. Here you can see the option called more natural reading voice. Let's enable it. Let's see, does it make any difference or not. Open the file.
Acknowledge status. Recognize high standing wherever deserved. Status can enhance our esteem and influence. There is no need to compete over status.
I don't see any difference here. Let me know in the comments if you see any difference, if you could enable that option in your phone. And one more feature that I would like to highlight here is, so if you come across any word that you don't know meaning, so you can just tap on that word and you can see the meaning of that word. So this is one of the coolest feature it has. And that's it for now. Enjoy your audiobook. And in the next video, we are going to talk about some of the best websites out there for you to download free PDFs. Thank you for watching.